In this video, I will show you how to create custom annotations for different tools in your workflow. Here I have a sample workflow with an input tool, text input with a column of values, and then I do a formula where I do this crazy formula right here. But let's say I don't want to have all of this text right here. We can actually select the tool and hit this tag over on the left-hand side, and we can change this annotation right here. So instead of having this, we can say recalculate formula and turn into string. And when we click onto the canvas, we'll see that this is changed to the text we put in. We also have an option, if we'd like, we can place the annotation on top, and when you show the annotation, you can either use the canvas settings, always show it, or never show it. And if we click over onto the canvas, we can see that it's now placed on the top. And this is how you create a custom annotation for a particular tool.